Hello, I'm Kaitlynn Earl, and this is my visual learning lesson on addition. My grade level that I would like to teach is kind of more on the younger end, so I made my problems a little bit simpler with none of the answers, or the answers being 10 or less. So I plan to instruct the students on addition or teaching them addition using number lines. So for my visual learning, this is my lesson. I will start by asking all the students to each pull out their own personal whiteboards and whiteboard markers that they will have. And as they are doing that, I will begin to prepare to draw on the whiteboard for them. Well, as I'm drawing these number lines and going through these problems on the whiteboard, they're going to be copying me and following my instruction and working through the examples with me. And then afterwards, they can do their own example and they will hold it up for me. So for example, the first one that I'm going to do is going to be 8 plus 2. So on my little whiteboard here, I'm going to draw 8 plus 2. I will then start to show them how to draw the number line. So first we're going to start by drawing the line. We're going to put our arrows on the ends. And then we're going to draw the dashes in between and label them 0 starting at the end, and then 10 down here. And then we're going to label them in the middle. So 7, 8, 9, 4, 3, 2, 1. Remember that? Okay, so I would draw out the number line for them, and I would explain to them how they need to be evenly spaced dashes, and then they need to take the dashes, and they need to label them with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the beginning and the end of the line are 0 through 10. So they'll have their number line 0 through 10 to do their addition problem. So now we're going to start with the problem. So I'm going to tell them to look at the numbers, and the first number that they see is going to be 8. So they're going to start from 0, and they're going to draw a line all the way down to 8. Okay, so there's their first line, 0 to 8. And then they're going to look at the second number, which is the plus 2. Then I'm going to tell them to start from the number that they ended on, so the first number that they were on. Start from that line, and they're going to move 2 spaces. 1, 2. Is their second line? Okay, so now we're going to start from the beginning of their first line, and go all the way down to the end of their second line. So there you have both lines combined. Then I'm going to tell them to look at the top line that they drew over the 2 lines, and wherever that line ends, that's going to be their answer. So therefore, 8 plus 2 is going to equal 10. So then we would move on to another example. Tell them to erase their whiteboards. I would erase my whiteboard so we can move on to the next one. And then the next example is going to be 3 plus 4. So again, we're going to draw our number line. Put the arrows on the front and the end. Mark them with 0 and 10. Go in the middle. Mark that with a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4, 3, 2, 1. Number the dashes. And label your number line. Okay, so then I would show them that again, and they would all have this drawn out there. They would be following me step by step on their whiteboard. So then I would tell them, okay, so start with the first number again. You're going to draw a line from 0 to 3, which is going to be right here. And then you're going to start from your second line, or from your first line, sorry, 0 to 3, your first line, and you are going to move 4 spaces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and your second line. Then you're going to start from the very beginning of your first line, go all the way to the end of your second line, and where that line ends is going to be your answer. So therefore, 3 plus 4 would equal 7. I would then tell them to erase their whiteboards, and I would write on the board an example that they can do on their own, which the example I would give them would be 5 plus 5. And then they would go through They would draw their own number lines and they would follow the steps as I had shown them already, um, and come up with the answer. And then I would have them circle their answer, and they could all hold up their whiteboards at their desks so I can go through and check and make sure that everybody understood it correctly. And once they completed that, I would hand out the assignment or the assessment assignment that has multiple of these types of questions on there. So they can go through and do their number lines and practice at using the number line for addition.